RB20, non-turbo or anything, straight from the downpipe, no exhaust. I'll show you what it sounds like. Exactly where I found it. Oh, need to build an exhaust for this thing. Definitely need an exhaust. Not too bad, I guess. Oh no, it's loud. Oh god. Oh god. Running good though. Obviously it's stripped out a little bit. I need to start working on this thing, definitely. Can see out the windscreen pretty good too, so that's always great. Put it in neutral for now. No power steering too, so that's what you want. Oh god. Oh Jesus. Very hot outside too. Put you guys down. It's fucking impossible without. I'm gonna drive it up my driveway so you guys can take a look at it from a different angle. Oh, and then gonna park it in the shed and call it a day, because fuck me. Look how bouncy this thing was too. Holy shit. Oh damn it, this thing's bumpy. Me mail. Don't want to show the address, you know. Well, here it is out in the flesh. Almost on the road, but not obviously legal. Just a tad low as well. Not too bad though, not too bad. Alright, I'm gonna drive it back in and yeah. So you guys like the video. Alright guys, she's in the shop. I just couldn't film driving it back in because it's impossible without power steering. Oh god. There she is. Back in her home. Shut her off. peace and quiet again. Jesus Christ, thing's loud. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Oh my god. Well, this is the new house, guys, by the way. The new shed, new workshop. We also have a garage down there as well. And as you can see, I've been working on the other project car. She's covered up now. But yeah, this is basically the new workshop. Basically, so yeah, a lot more to come. I've basically paint stripped all this whole side and the roof as well. Bit of rust, which sucks. I left out in the rain, or it was slight rain, but yeah. Oh well. I gotta just buy a mask, and then I gotta do the back boot, the bumper, the side door, which I left no room for me to do, which is cool. And then yeah, and then she's all stripped down, and then I can start painting again, I guess. And we've got the air compressor. The cool thing about this place is that we've actually got power now, like fully powered. But I mean, we did get power in the new place, but or the old house, but what do you call it? We just moved out as soon as we got it, so that was great. But now we've got actual power. So yeah, we've got 2 ports here. 2 there, 1 over here. Not a lot, but you can use extensions and blah blah and power things. So yeah, so yeah, it's a good place. Definitely keen to start working on this thing again. So I do that. I'll make more videos. Definitely, I promise you guys. I mean, obviously there's nobody watching my videos right now, but once the amount of views go up, I guess. Oh, look at the light. It's so weird. Okay, whatever. Alright guys, hope you guys liked the video. Catch you later.